One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I tell my mind not to wander.
Oh, hell yeah. Good morning, Internet. It's Billy the Kid, and today is Sport Bike Saturday. I had a big plan. I got a bunch of parts. I have one small problem. The pocket bike is currently in my office upstairs. My mother-in-law is coming in town, so I need to get all of that out of there somehow downstairs because it's way too cold to work outside. So while I'm doing that, because that's not very exciting, I thought I would go over the top 5 reasons to own a motorcycle in Minnesota. Reason number 5, and this has to be one of my favorite reasons, but Minnesota has 4 distinct seasons: fall, winter, spring, summer. Now, granted, one of those seasons completely useless for bikers. That'd be winter. Basically, no one rides, but it's pretty easy to substitute with a snowmobile or something like that. But what I'm talking about, and I think just about everyone has summer, are those fall rides or those spring rides. Absolutely gorgeous. There's really nothing like it to see the leaves turn in the fall as you're riding through northern Minnesota. So that's reason 5. Reason number 4 would be other motorists. Other motorists in Minnesota are absurdly nice. What I mean is when 4 people all roll to a stop sign at the same time, it's a lot of, oh no, you go, no, you go, you go, no, after you, by all means. And believe it or not, there's also a lot of bikers in Minnesota. So the other motorists, they're aware. They know we're out there. They respect us. Everyone is pretty nice. And from what I can tell, there's no vendettas between cops and bikers or anything that the internet tries to overinflate. None of that really exists here. So it's a great place to ride as far as safety and other motorists are concerned. But just like anywhere, we still got our people on our cell phones and changing lanes, not signaling, all that fun stuff that we love to dodge and, fortunately for me, catch on video. Reason number 3. 3? How do you guys do it? I do it like this. Doesn't matter. Reason number 3, it's awesome to live in Minnesota and be a biker. Insurance rates. They're cheap. Every time I want to add another bike to my plan, it's like $10 a year. I think that my total insurance for all of my bikes is less than $100. And I think I have 4 bikes insured right now. So the reason that is they prorate that out through the whole year. They know you can't ride 4, 5, 6 months of the year, so they stretch that out. So insurance is cheap. I wouldn't say that's a reason to move to Minnesota by any stretch of the imagination, but good to know. Reason number 2, it's awesome to be a biker in Minnesota, is Minnesota is chock full of barn burners. I'm talking about bikes that have been sitting in people's garages and their barns for 10, 15, 20 years. You can pick them up for next to nothing. And you can turn them into something beautiful. Like I had mentioned in a few other videos, you can turn into something you're really proud of. I'll try to show you maybe a before, maybe an after. Who knows? I'm not really particularly good, or doesn't matter. I'm not particularly good at this editing stuff, but you can find some really nice bikes. And the number 1 reason it's awesome to be a biker in Minnesota, for me, it's because Minnesota's home. There's nothing like hopping on your bike and riding around your backyard. You know the streets, you know everything, it's awesome. But that being said, if you've never ridden in Minnesota, please do. I suggest basically anytime from May until sometime in November. It's unlike anything you've ever experienced before. I know one of my goals is to get out and ride in as many other places as possible. I've never ridden in LA. To be honest, kind of scares the crap out of me. I don't know how you guys do it. I have no interest in lane splitting, things like that. But that's one of my dreams as I digress. But Minnesota, check it out. More importantly, check it out on your bike. Rent one. Hit me up. I'd love to meet up with you. All right, that just about wraps up Sport Bike Saturday. You can check out the Pocket Rocket in its new home on my coffee table downstairs in my basement, only in Minnesota. Please subscribe if you like it. Dislike it if you don't. Tell me why. Also, we got a new hoodie out. You should check it out. I'll put the link below. Or to the side. Below. Who knows how all this nonsense works? I'll put it below. Thanks for joining me. I'm Billy the Kid. I'll see you next time.